everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Riska from Indonesia. So if in this video or in my next future video, if you see me talking in bad English or somehow I'm using my bahasa, just to let you know, basically I'm just not good at talking. So, and also this is my first So in today's video, I will be doing this look that I posted recently on my Instagram, and I will be recreating that because my dumbass didn't record anything on the day I made that. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing on my makeup routine is skincare. I think everyone should start from skincare because it is really important. You see, even though I'm using a skincare that much, I still look ugly as fuck. So yeah, really need that. I'm using Garnier micellar water, and with cotton pad, I'm just gonna swipe it up all over. If you have a combination skin type like me, I would really recommend using the blue one. Next, I'm taking my most favorite toner from Natural Pacific and do the same thing. I use toner to deep cleanse because even after face wash and micellar water, it's still dirty. Next is essence. This is from Indonesia local brand called Wardah. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my palm and just pat it onto my face. Last but not least is aloe vera gel from Natural Republic. If you don't know, it's a Korean brand and I just can't get enough of it. Now after skincare, I would directly go into my eyebrows. Eyebrows is important for me because, as you can see, I don't have eyebrows. This is my eyebrow pencil. It is really good. The tip is really flat. I love it. Making brows is not easy. And then I'm going to clean my brows with concealer. I just take a little bit and just start cleaning my brows. Now the brows is pretty much done. I don't know if it looks crazy or not on camera, but on my mirror it looks good. Next step, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm taking my Catrice Prime and Fine from my eye primer. So I'll just use this a little bit. Today I'm taking my favorite eyeshadow palette, and basically this is the only one that I have. It's Morphe Extreme Charlie's palette. This is actually like as big as my laptop. I'm gonna set my eyelids with the color Canvas here. And then I'm taking my brush and dip it on color B here. It and just put that on your crease. And then I'm taking the same brush and dip it into the color 518. Now if your crease is nice and orange, you want to proceed to deepen that crease again with color Rusted. I'm going to put a darker color on my outer corner This is in the color You're Kidding. Just gonna pat that on my outer corner here. And then it is time to cut the crease. I've done this several times. I have a hard time doing it because, as you can see, I don't have really that much of lid space. Also, I have hooded eyes. Now the cut crease is done. I'm going to set this half cut crease with the color flashback here. Just pat it onto your cut crease. And after that, back with your blending brush that you use for your outer corner and just pat it on the middle. Just use whatever left. And to make it more dramatic, I'm using my Fugly Heavy Metallic Eyeliner. Now the eyes is done. The next thing you want to do is doing your face. I am going to use my primer here again from Catrice. Catrice, I love you so much. Please sponsor me. Just smear that on my T-zone where my pores is slightly bigger. Especially on my nose. And I'm taking my foundation here from Maybelline in the shade 125 Nude Beige. I'm just gonna take a little bit, that much, and I'm just going to use my hand. Let me wipe it up first so you guys are not triggered. Tap it a little bit and just start from the corner. Conceal my under eye. I'm still gonna use my fingers for my concealer. I'm gonna set it with my powder. While waiting for the concealer to set, I'm also going to set my whole face with the powder from Catrice. Proceeds to contour my face. Take your bake off. I want to do a blush. I'm using a blush from the same palette in the color Rusted. tip of your nose. I'm going to curl my lashes. The mascara. Mascara is on now onto the fake eyelashes. Now into the highlighter. Now I'm going to use 2 shades of lipstick. Gloss. Last thing you want to do is set your makeup. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy and tired right now. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link on the description down below. Until then, bye!